The Bitcoin ETFs are all but confirmed, and a lot of experts in the space believe that the approvals will be set for tomorrow, Wednesday, with trading going live this week, either on Thursday or Friday. We've seen a recent rally in the markets after this news as Bitcoin traded all the way up to $47,000 yesterday, and we saw a lot of other projects in the DeFi and altcoin space pump as well. And now let's take a look at the video that CNBC posted yesterday regarding the Bitcoin ETF approvals.
Two sources close to the process now telling me it's looking like Wednesday, which is also the deadline for Cathie Wood's ARK and 21 shares bid. Then I'm told potential trading would happen Thursday or Friday.
So the deadline is Wednesday for a lot of these approvals, and like I said, trading is expected to go live on Thursday or Friday. They mentioned a handful of applicants, and right now we're looking about 13 Bitcoin ETF applicants, and some of these being some of the biggest financial companies in the world, including Fidelity, Valkyrie, Franklin, ARK Invest, Grayscale, BlackRock, VanEck, and Invesco Galaxy. Now, if these approvals do happen, I do expect to see a large amount of money come into the crypto market. And the reason I expect this is because of how much money these major companies that are applying for the Bitcoin ETF manage to date. Fidelity currently has 11.7 trillion assets under management. As of 2023, BlackRock manages about $9.4 trillion. And although these are the two largest, a lot of these companies that are applying for the Bitcoin ETFs have hundreds of billions of dollars under management. So what does this mean for everyday crypto investors like you and I? Well, when these Bitcoin ETFs go live, we can expect to see everyday investors that aren't necessarily comfortable investing in the crypto markets today start to put their money in their retirement funds into Bitcoin. Obviously, when more money comes into the market, we can expect to see the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency assets rise as well. Another catalyst that we have coming up here in 2024 is the Bitcoin halving, and we have about 15,000 blocks remaining until this happens. Essentially, this is the big catalyst that happens about every 4 years where it makes it harder to mine Bitcoin, making the currency more scarce, and it typically increases the demand for Bitcoin. And as we've seen in the past, the price has always pumped after the Bitcoin halving. Will 2024 be any different? In my personal estimation, I don't think so. I think with the Bitcoin ETF set to be approved this week and the halving coming, that we should expect to see Bitcoin pump in 2024, and I do believe that we will see all-time highs as well. We'll be covering this story closely on X and on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe and follow along for all of the Bitcoin ETF news and updates. We do believe that we'll see a number of Bitcoin ETF approvals tomorrow, Wednesday, and we should expect to see the Bitcoin ETF tradings go live this week. Fingers are crossed that the Bitcoin ETF approval does happen, and make sure to follow and stay tuned for more.